Hi guys, and welcome back. Finally, it's been so long since I've made my last video just because I've been so busy with school and exams and midterms, but finally it's all passed, so I feel like I can kind of breathe for a minute. And I had some extra time today, so I really wanted to do a green glittery makeup look to match with this money dress that I have. And I hope you like this tutorial. Really fast and simple to follow, but you still kind of get that drama and that pretty look, perfect for a night out, or if you just want to stay home and feel pretty like I'm doing today. So I hope you like this. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments, and let's get started. Alright guys, so now we have our basics done and we're going to get into the eye part of the look. So before we get into that green glittery part of the eye, we're just going to do a base as usual. So I have my Nicka K palette. Probably definitely time for me to get a new one, but we're just going to use this for today. And we're going to start with this light brown color and focus that on the inner part of the eyelid. Okay, so next we're going to go in with this kind of camel color and focus that on the crease. And then we're going to take some dark brown and focus that on the outer corner of the eye. And you know I love my red, so I'm going to do just a bit of this dark red right under the brows. Okay, so because I want this look to have a little bit of drama, I'm also going to go in with some black, and we're going to do like a slight wing shape, not extending too far, but like just a little bit of black extending from the eye. And that's really gonna like help amp up the look. Okay, so next, before we get into that glittery green that I'm going to show you in this Smashbox palette, we're using this kind of dark green right there. We're first going to go in with a little bit of dark green and kind of create a halo effect for the glitter. So you have this like pretty gradient going of like the glittery green, the dark green, and out towards that base that we just did. So first, let's go in with a little bit of darker green, and we'll focus that above the eyelid. One step that I don't want to skip before we get to the glittery eyeshadow is just to put a little bit of concealer on the eyelid so that it can really stick and pop, especially if you have darker skin, to make that really show. So we're just gonna spread a little bit of concealer on our eyelids. Alright, so now that we have that concealer going, we're going to get into this M.A.C palette and just take that green right there and put it right on the lid. And you can really see how that concealer that we put underneath is really helping it go on smoothly and pop on the skin. Alright, I love that. And just for a little bit of fun, I'm kind of tempted to put some green right underneath the eye as well, so we're just gonna go for it. Okay, so I'm feeling that. And before I continue with the eyes, I'm actually gonna put in some brown contacts. Again, from TTG Eyes, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I have the contacts lenses in, and they come in the cutest little packaging. These are caramel brown, and I think they're just gonna add something really like cute and special to the look. So I'll give you all the information and links and stuff in the description. I think for this, I feel like the eyes kind of speak for themselves, so we'll just add some lashes and then add some lipstick and blush and finish up the look. So I'm gonna add a bit of my favorite mascara, the NARS Climax Extreme, and then we're gonna pop some falsies on top. Okay, so now that we have the lashes in, we are just gonna add the finishing touches. So I'm gonna do a nude lip for this look, kind of like a dark nude lip. And we'll just add some NARS Orgasm blush, and we will be done. Okay guys, so here we have the final look. I'm so in love with this green glitter eyeshadow. I've never used it until this tutorial, but I'm so happy because I've been wanting to do like a cute green look for a while. And as you can see, it didn't take long at all, but you still kind of get that drama and some money vibes to match with this dress that I'm wearing. So I hope it was easy to follow. I hope you liked it, and I hope you recreate it. Let me know what you thought of this look in the comments, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.